Today we're going to be changing out the mass airflow sensor on our 2013 Ford Mustang. First thing you need to do is press that tab out and then push in and it pops right out. And so ours is a Torx and ours is a T10 and there's two bolts. There's one down here. Two long screws. It's not a bolt, it's a screw. And then one here. Okay. Then you can slide it out just like that. Got our parted AutoZone. And you can check out any auto parts store to get your part. Or order it online. It's up to you. Just gonna insert the new one and put our screw in. Hook this back up and slide that back in. And that's how you change the mass airflow sensor on your 2013 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.